Why singing is surprisingly good for your health. Humans accidentally discover singing fixes bodies while making joyful noise. Greetings, fellow observers. Commander Zix here with breaking news from Earth, where humans have apparently invented a medical treatment that requires zero equipment and costs nothing, then immediately forgot about it. Singing boosts immune systems, repairs damaged brains, and suppresses pain, but humans primarily use it for holiday festivities and shower entertainment. But here's the fascinating part. Carol singers spreading holiday cheer are simultaneously activating their vagus nerves and releasing endorphins. You can't make this up! So here's what happened. Scientists discovered that singing activates a broad network of neurons on both sides of the brain, controlling language, movement, and emotion simultaneously. Singing releases endorphins and oxytocin, lowers cholesterol, stress hormones, and boosts immunoglobulin A antibodies that fight infections. Translation: free medical treatment disguised as entertainment. Research shows complete strangers forge unusually close bonds after singing together for just 1 hour. Simple neurochemical bonding. Apparently very effective. Meanwhile, a 2016 study found that cancer patients who sang in choirs for 1 hour showed increased immune proteins and reduced stress hormones. The irony is absolutely stunning. Let me paint this picture for you, space observers. Former Congresswoman Gabriella Giffords survived being shot in the head in 2011 and lost her ability to speak. Music therapist Megan Morrow used singing from childhood songs to help Giffords relearn verbal fluency through melodic intonation therapy. Singing activated undamaged brain regions and created new neural pathways through neuroplasticity. Stroke survivors use identical techniques for speech recovery. Studies show singing is comparable exercise to brisk walking, improves heart rate and blood pressure, and helps Parkinson's patients with articulation difficulties. Group singing promotes greater psychological well-being than solo singing, which explains why humans instinctively form choirs. But wait, it gets better. Some anthropologists believe hominid ancestors sang before they could speak. Using vocalizations to mimic nature sounds and express feelings, singing activates both brain hemispheres simultaneously, something regular speech cannot achieve. Researchers tested choir singers before and after Mozart rehearsals, finding blood composition changed significantly only when actively singing, not when listening. So naturally, humans invented this powerful therapeutic intervention thousands of years ago, then regulated it to Christmas caroling and bathroom acoustics. Here's where it gets truly fascinating. Humans created an activity that simultaneously exercises lungs, activates immune systems, rewires damaged brains, reduces pain perception, lowers stress, and builds social connections, then treated it like casual entertainment rather than revolutionary medicine. This is Commander Zix, reminding you that while Earth continues researching expensive treatments and complex pharmaceuticals, it already possesses free therapeutic technology that predates human civilization. Apparently, the best medicine requires only vocal cords and a willingness to harmonize.